it's me again, teacher Haya from Hải Âu Star. Today we are going to focus on making a project. Say it with me, project. But teacher wants you to listen and read to know how to make your project. Okay? All set? Let's begin.
1. Choose colors. Color the circles. 2. Draw the classroom objects. 3. Cut. 4. Make the board game. 5. Practice. Ask and answer. Use a spinner and counters.
That ends our project making. Once again, this is teacher Haya from Hải Âu Star. See you again next time. Goodbye.